Hi, Shruti.
Hello,
Hey,
Meenakshi.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you? I'm
I'm
fantastic.
great. I had a long day, had a couple of sessions, two sets of coaching sessions, and then I had a
Oh,
mastermind.
yeah,
How are you? What's
absolutely.
what's going on in your life?
I'm also great. Have coaching sessions as well going on. I also conducted a mastermind over somewhere. So going on.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
Superb. So
yeah.
how does it how
And coaching makes me so, lovable.
yeah,
I'm in love with coaching, and that's why I texted
absolutely.
on your FB post.
Same here, same here, same here.
Yeah.
So it's a pleasure connecting with you again, and
Thank you.
it's
Same
it's
here.
like such an inspiration to see
Right.
how life being transformed, we being channels of transformation through us lives being transformed,
Right.
and the
And
systems
that
that
is
we are
what makes
following.
me feel that I'm blessed, I'm being a medium to channelize these things into
Right.
someone's life. I
Yeah.
mean, that's a great blessing.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And when you have the ultimate conviction that coaching works,
Yeah.
system works, it has got breakthrough in your life,
Right.
it gives you all the more conviction and confidence to talk to people that this is
Absolutely.
definitely surely going to work, right?
Right. Absolutely. Coaching has given me so many things.
Yeah,
Not only just a clarity of focus, it has given me something which was, that part which I did not even dreamt of.
absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
You know what? I've been as I'm interacting with people
Right.
in coaching sessions, in one-to-one sessions, group sessions, in my workshops, or other thing that I do, that is my Reiki and healing things.
Yeah.
I have found out there are a couple of issues that actually are big time success blockers for my clients, and I see in general in people's life. People are
Right.
unhappy, but
Hmm.
they don't know why they're unhappy.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't feel fulfilled,
Right.
they don't feel
Absolutely.
happy about what they're doing and their life.
Yes.
What do
Yes.
you think would be reason for the unhappiness?
Lack of clarity, lack of time management,
Okay.
lack of
Yeah.
focus. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
When you have
Yeah.
clarity, then only you can focus on the things. And that is what is, they are not able to decide what they want. I mean, they are completely in the, they are not even realized about it. That is what is a main problem. The
Yeah.
challenging part is
Right.
not
Agree.
realization,
Not having the
not
realization,
having the
or
realization.
having too many things, or chasing too many things actually.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
multitasking. Yeah,
Yeah. As
yeah,
you rightly said, not having clarity means
yeah.
too many things in their bucket,
Yes,
and not knowing how to prioritize, where to start with,
absolutely.
what to
Absolutely.
start with. Yeah. And then there are different other challenges also. And when you have that challenge, you just think that things are not working for you.
Yes,
I
absolutely.
met
When
a
there
few
is
people.
something, yeah, yeah,
Go ahead, go ahead.
yeah. When you have a meal plate, yeah, when you have a meal plate, so it has to be, like something colorful. You have to feel that when I eat this, I'm going to definitely get an energy that I'm having a meal. So, if
Yeah.
so many things are
Yeah.
into meal, you don't even feel to eat. From what I have to start,
Yeah.
you don't have a clarity regarding that.
Yeah.
Like that.
Right.
And every day if it happens, then definitely it is going to impact. And that is what is being happening now.
Yes. Yeah, yeah. So people chase false targets, I feel. I've seen some of my clients, they are chasing goals and targets which are
Mhm.
not their own goals. It is
Yes,
imposed by someone else, some
someone else.
external stuff,
Right,
and
right.
own that goal, and they do own that outcome,
Yeah.
because of which it appears so difficult and stressful for them. People don't
Yeah.
enjoy their life.
Their decision goes
Yeah.
for a toss and they don't even
Yes.
realize about that. That is the main, I
Yeah.
mean, that is really a very, fearful and careful part of that.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
The constant misery of not being able to own something.
Yes.
One, second thing,
Absolutely.
doing too many things,
Yeah.
stress of money, stress of relationships, stress of
Right.
health, not being able to lose weight,
Yes.
tried everything, but it did not work,
Yes.
right?
Absolutely.
Constant, with constant demand
Hmm.
on your mind
Yeah.
that मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे वो भी करना है, but actually what is important for me,
What
I
is
don't know.
important? Yeah. And what is the result? What is the, outcome of this?
The why
Why?
is not clear, the
If why
purpose
is
is not
not
clear.
clear, yeah, the purpose and why is not clear, then things will not fall in place.
Absolutely,
Yes.
absolutely.
Right.
So I have tried
So
different
if I go to a particular gym thinking that,
Mhm,
my friend has lost so many kgs in that gym,
mhm.
then it really doesn't work out for me because whatever she did in that gym is important. It's not that the gym part is really very essential, right?
So you mean to say the action taken, action is important.
Action taking is really very important.
Yeah, absolutely. And I was coming to that.
What I need and why I need.
Yeah, absolutely. And I was coming to that.
Right.
I have a multiple WhatsApp groups, FB groups where I keep running different kind of challenges.
Right.
And I see if that group has 100, 200 people, only 4 or 5 participates.
Okay.
Most of the people are
Not even bothered.
fence sitters. They watch.
They
You
watch.
see the watching thing is there, watch list is there,
Right.
but not able to take that first step and implement it in their life. What do you think could be the reason for that?
Maybe fear factor.
The fear of being rejected,
Fear of
not
being,
working.
no, fear of being self-reflection. What if my mirror is going to look completely other than that one?
Yeah.
Self-rejection, not rejection from others.
Yeah. So
That's
is it that comfort zone that they don't want to feel uncomfortable?
Absolutely. Because they haven't prioritized self, na? They have prioritized every other things. They did not prioritize self. And so they are in the comfort zone.
Yeah, absolutely. I totally agree. Yeah. So I think there are so many people in this world who need help, Shruti.
Yes.
And I am very interested to, actually reach out to at least my known circle, my friends, okay, my acquaintance, my colleagues, my family. I want to reach out to them and tell them that, taking action and having clarity is the first thing that they can get started with.
Yes,
because
absolutely.
there's nothing to lose.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
And if that happens with a accountability partner, like you and I have been accountable for each other's success. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
We keep reminding us, we keep, pushing each other.
Yes.
And that way I have achieved so much.
Right. Even me.
Yeah.
Yesterday only I have posted in my FB. You have to have such circle of community who will uplift you in any time. Yes. Because that is really very important in this era.
Yeah.
Yeah. There are many surrounding people who let you down. You are not worth of this. You are not made for this even.
Yeah.
But you have to think because when you get your inner values, then only you can surround with those things.
Absolutely true. Absolutely true. And I have seen that even for me, in spite of being a coach, it's easy for me to start something, but it's difficult for me to be consistently doing it.
Yeah.
And there comes the importance of your buddy, your accountable partner, who will push you and you will push that person.
I agree.
So that accountability factor really works.
Yes.
So why don't we start a accountability challenge?
Perfect. I'm in.
You're in?
Yes. Because beginning and ending seems very easy. And they seem it is easy to start with and easy to go with. But it is the main distance is the middle way, which we have to cover.
Yes.
So for that, accountability is really very needed.
Yes. I would also want to go to the extent of, calling people up individually and tell them, boss, enough is enough. Enough of inertia, enough of fence sitting. Now get into the, track and at least start walking. You don't have to run.
Absolutely. Yeah.
If you cannot walk, at least crawl. Do something.
Yes. Small baby steps. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
That this is not important, that to begin with your journey, you have to complete that journey in a single day. Small steps every day will definitely take you to the goal.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So
I am in with that challenge. Definitely.
That's wonderful, Shruti. So I'll just create the, the content and I'll create I'll use this video. I'm recording this because I didn't actually want to, create something artificially.
Right.
This is very organic. We discussed it. People will know the concept behind this challenge.
Yeah.
I'll be using this. We'll be using that. I won't say I anymore. I'll say we will be using this.
Sure.
Okay. And we'll reach out to maximum people.
Yes.
Definitely. And this is for their benefit. They are not losing anything.
Yes.
They are getting into a community where there will be accountability for their own action.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
And let's handhold people. Let people know that we are there to help them.
Yes, definitely.
And let's do this 21 days action challenge. Okay.
Sure. Okay.
So maybe we can launch it from Monday.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, I'll work. Let's work on the content tomorrow. Not
Yes,
much.
yes.
We'll just keep it simple so that it's
Yeah.
easy for everyone to follow.
Yes, yes, sure.
And let's launch it from Monday onwards for
Yes,
next
yes,
21 days.
let's start it from Monday. But since Diwali is coming in the midway, so we will keep it, little shorter at that point in time, so
Yeah,
that
yeah.
everybody can access through it.
Yes, absolutely. That
Yes,
sounds
yes.
good.
Yeah. And I believe from our human needs, contribution, significance, and growth, these three are
Yes.
very important for every person, every
Yeah,
individual.
absolutely.
Yeah. And everyone, frankly, now want to contribute to society some or the other thing.
True.
So let's all communicate. Let's all be a part of community and
Yes.
contribute so that this
Absolutely.
contribution looks big.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And each one of us can reach out to, one more person, and that one more person
Yes,
can reach out to one more person.
that's
Have you seen that movie, Jai Ho? There
yes.
was a beautiful concept introduced when,
Yeah.
if you want to thank,
Yeah.
just pass on this. If you want to thank someone, instead of thanking,
Yeah.
just pass on this message to three
Yes.
people, three
Yes.
new people. If
Absolutely.
this has worked for you, just pass on that to three new people.
Correct.
We can
Correct.
include that concept also in this.
Yes. 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 Definitely, we can.
That way we can
Right.
reach out to maximum number of people.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
Great. I'm so
Yeah.
excited, and thank you for joining in today, and thank
No
you for being
problem.
a part of this
Yeah.
contribution and
My
initiative.
pleasure. My pleasure.
And
Yeah.
let's get started.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. No more procrastinations.
All right.
Yeah.
See you
Okay.
then. See you soon, and
Okay.
I'll keep you updated on the content.
Sure. Sure. Thank you. Thank you for the call. Have a nice day. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.